Welcome to the show. Let's dive into some mind-blowing cosmic truths that totally change how we see the universe. Right now, as we sit here safely, there are forces out there, literally trying to kill us.
Yeah, that's wild. So, what's the first cosmic threat we should get into?
Let's start with the deadly silence and vacuum of space. Imagine this. Space is a perfect vacuum, so there's no air for sound to travel. It's eerily silent. And, without the pressure, water in your body would instantly start to boil at normal
Right.
temperatures.
Wait, boil? You're saying our own body fluids could create deadly bubbles if exposed?
Exactly. It's like, your body would start forming bubbles in the bloodstream. And within roughly 15 seconds, you'd lose consciousness before your body swells to twice
Mm-hmm.
its size.
That's disturbing. So, even a momentarily exposed astronaut would face instant disaster.
Yeah, it's terrifying stuff. And speaking of protection, Earth's magnetic field is our only shield against the worst of cosmic dangers like lethal radiation. But here's the catch. It's not as
Okay.
stable as we'd hope.
How exactly is our magnetic field failing?
Well, currently it's weakening and even shifting at an accelerating rate. During a full pole reversal, that magnetic protection can vanish altogether, leaving us exposed to cosmic rays and solar wind, which would strip away our atmosphere, pretty much making our
Yeah,
world
that's
barren
unsettling.
like Mars.
I get that, but isn't it a bit dramatic to say it could end civilization as we know it?
It sure sounds dramatic, but when you consider that previous pole reversals have coincided with mass extinction events, it really puts into perspective how vulnerable we are. Our tiny planet faces threats that could sterilize it within
Interesting
centuries.
point. So essentially, we're riding this magnetic roller coaster that not only weakens, but can disappear altogether. That's one existential threat.
Exactly. And while that's one killer aspect, there are also gamma ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the universe. Imagine a burst that could sterilize half the Earth in seconds, releasing more energy in 10 seconds than our sun will in
Wow,
its entire
insane.
lifetime.
And the worst part is, we wouldn't even have any advance warning, right?
Right. These gamma ray bursts travel at the speed of light, so the radiation would hit us the same moment we could detect it, leaving zero time to prepare.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a cosmic ambush.
That's just terrifying. How do rogue planets factor into these cosmic dangers?
Rogue planets are like planetary bullets. These are planets that have been ejected from their solar systems and now hurtle through space, invisible because they don't emit light. They're basically immense cosmic hazards that could destabilize the very orbits in our solar system if one
Right.
happens to come too close.
And if one of these rogue planets collided with, say, our orbit, what would happen?
It could trigger chaotic orbital changes, flinging Earth either into a freezing void or straight into the sun, and even tear apart the asteroid belt into a storm of massive rocks. The sheer unpredictability of it all is what really gets you.
Yeah, that sounds like a total cosmic bullet storm. So, we're not just dealing with immediate vacuum and radiation threats, but these rogue planets can um, totally change the game on a cosmic scale.
Exactly. And here's the ironic twist. All these threats, these forces, actively working to destroy us, actually put our daily worries into perspective. Every argument, every little stress, seems trivial when you consider the vast forces trying to wipe us out.
True. Totally puts your Monday blues in astronomical perspective.
Exactly. And yet, amidst all this, there's beauty and resilience. You are, quite literally, made of stardust, forged in the cores of dying stars. Every element in your body, from carbon to nitrogen, has a cosmic origin.
Yeah, it's almost poetic, isn't it? It really is. It makes you think about the miracle of our existence after all these cosmic calamities.
Right. It's like the universe is both our doom and our creator. Despite these extinction level threats, life not only persists, it thrives. We're the universe becoming aware of itself.
Exactly. I love that contrast. The hostile, dangerous cosmos, and yet the resilience of life in all its forms. It's almost like winning a cosmic lottery.
Yes, a lottery where the odds are so astronomical that they nearly defy calculation. It's remarkable, really, that we're here, contemplating our own existence while cosmic threats loom overhead.
But don't you think sometimes this kind of perspective might paralyze us with fear?
That's a good point. There's definitely a risk of being overwhelmed by this realization. But instead of letting fear paralyze us, we can embrace it as motivation to cherish each moment, to
Yeah,
prioritize
like
what
living life
truly
fully
matters.
despite knowing those dangers. I see. So the idea isn't to live in constant fear, but rather to use cosmic perspective to fuel gratitude and maybe even action.
Exactly. It's about acknowledging that the universe is a hostile place, but also recognizing the miracle of our survival against such odds. It's a call to appreciate
Right.
life even more.
One could argue, though, that by dwelling too much on these threats, we might neglect the amazing scientific work that's being done to understand and even mitigate such cosmic dangers.
I agree with that. While these facts are terrifying, they also push us to explore, to study, and eventually maybe even harness technology that could offer some protection. Our relentless exploration is, in itself, a defiant stand against the
Exactly.
cosmic odds.
And it certainly fuels our creativity and innovations, doesn't it? I mean, contemplating these endless threats seems to ignite that spark of human ingenuity.
Absolutely. It's like the ultimate challenge. When you know that everything around you is trying to end your existence, you have no choice but to learn, adapt, and overcome. We study these forces, develop new technologies, and, despite everything, continue to hope.
Yeah, hope and innovation go hand in hand. So, how does this all tie back into our everyday lives? It feels like the cosmic threats are so distant, yet they um, influence our perspective on what truly matters.
Right, it's that duality, the immense cosmic terror, and our tiny but resilient existence. Every starlight moment is a reminder. Even though the universe is relentlessly hostile, life persists. In a way, our mortality becomes more precious because we're up against such overwhelming odds.
That's powerful. It definitely reminds us to embrace the now, to live more passionately, and appreciate the miracle that each day represents.
Exactly. It's like the cosmic perspective forces us to reframe our daily worries. Every little annoyance becomes insignificant compared to the grand, chaotic beauty of the universe. We're, defiant in our existence, despite every cosmic bullet that might come our way.
Right on. This really puts things into perspective. The threats are real and terrifying, but they also inspire us to value our life and to keep pushing the boundaries of discovery.
Absolutely. And that's the ultimate message here. Despite a universe actively trying to take us out, our very existence is a testament to life's resilience. So let's look up at the stars tonight, not just with fear, but with awe, gratitude, and a resolve to make every moment count.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. In the end, it's a perfect blend of cosmic terror and inspiring resilience, a combination that truly makes life worth living.
Exactly. And while we can't control the cosmic forces around us, we can control how we react to them by embracing each day with a renewed sense of wonder and purpose.
Cheers to that. Well, that's one way to look at it. It's like we're not just surviving, we're actively defying the odds, one day at a time.
Indeed, so here's to our incredible, precarious, and beautiful existence in this relentless universe. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, every moment you experience is a miracle against cosmic odds.
Right.